Alright, we got the CSX m316-18 eastbound mixed freight train. Right here at the Lodgeville Road, Great Crossing. Headed towards the Great Crossing next to the milepost 299.0. So let's check it out. Here we go. Go ahead and start the video, son. Well, let's get away with the engineer and see what happens. Alright, let's give it away with the engineer and see how the quality is on this one. Wait for it. Oh. 4175, yep. Woo! 4175! 8435! David Owen, see this website unit right there! Nice! That's how we do it! My golly, goodness! Unbelievable! One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 44, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Wow, that's gonna be another train, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. EBU, alright! 32, 82, 881, 5112. From the CSX website unit again. Same place. Right there. Nice, that's how we do it. 700 train is CSX m316-18 eastbound mixed freight train. The train originates from the Queensgate Yard from Cincinnati, Ohio, heads east to the Cumberland Railroad when it terminates at the Cumberland Yard. Often works for the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia railroad route. So this is Josh, your local wave and hotspots, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em.